And then we keep on continuing through our theory analyses, finding entities that align with the theory, appending their data to our analyses, and printing the detailed theory analyses report. But when we get to this line in our consciousness impact report, total interactions, sum, entity.get interaction attempt 0 for entity in self entity database values. This is where we're first encountering the sum function. It's Python's built-in tool for adding up numbers from lists, dictionaries, or other collections, and it's key for data analysis and statistical calculations. So sum calculates the total from a collection of numbers. Entity.get interaction attempts, 0 safely gets each entity's interaction count, defaulting to 0 if it's missing. For entity in self.entity database.values creates a generator expression that processes every entity. The complete expression adds up all interaction attempts across all entities in the database. Step by step, entity 1, entity get, interaction attempt 0 returns 3, entity 2, entity get, interaction attempts 0 returns 7, entity 3, entity get, interaction attempt 0 returns 0, missing key, sum adds them 3 plus 7 plus 0 equals to 10 total interactions. There's an example of how it works. And this creates aggregate statistics from individual data points. Instead of manually tracking totals, sum automatically calculates the combined interaction attempts across your entire 4D entity database. The combination of sum with generator expressions enables that powerful data aggregation. You're processing every entity, safely extracting numerical data and totaling it all in one efficient expression. The sum function creates comprehensive statistics from distributed data, enabling research analyses that reveals patterns across your entire 4D entity population rather than just individual entity behavior.